As COVID-19 restrictions eased up in BC this summer, health officials expected to see some new cases of the virus. But in the last 2 days, there have been 160 new infections, and it has the province worried. And a new report shows a certain demographic is not doing its part.
What this shows is where we are. We are on an upward trajectory. That is concerning.
Provincial Health Officer Dr. Bonnie Henry presenting new COVID-19 modeling data on Thursday. The stats confirming who is contributing to the spike in COVID cases we're seeing this summer.
Between June and August 8th, we've seen a much broader increase, particularly in people in their 20s and 30s. And this is, again, related to some of the social events.
The modeling shows people aged 20 to 29 make up 1/3 of COVID cases in BC since late June. As summer continues, young people partying is a serious concern. BC Health Minister Adrian Dix says health and bylaw officers will be out checking banquet halls this weekend to make sure everyone is adhering to the 50-person limit on gatherings.
If you're thinking of organizing a party, especially one involving alcohol, where there's no specific limits on distancing that you're putting in place, you should not do so. And if you're invited to such a party by a friend and they are not able to provide such assurances, my advice is not to go.
20-somethings partying at nightclubs, also a concern. Vancouver Coastal Health issuing exposure warnings at 2 Vancouver clubs this week.
We are working with the industry and the nightclub industry in particular. They have obviously an interest in making sure that people are playing by the rules so that they can all stay open. We are not at the point where we're seeing that we feel that we need to shut the entire industry down.
The province will now focus on getting the COVID-19 safety message out on social media, where people in their 20s are more likely to see it. On Wednesday, Premier John Horgan called on Vancouver-born celebrities Ryan Reynolds and Seth Rogen to help spread the word. Anything to get BC's curve flat again.
Right now, we have it within our ability to make the changes we need to bend that curve back down.
In Vancouver, Travis Prasad, City News.